Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. Today I partnered with FabFitFun to show you guys what's inside their winter box. So if you like unboxing videos, then this is the video for you. If you make it to the end of this video, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. And if you want daily outfit inspirations, then follow me on Instagram. I'm Naomi Boyer on Instagram, and let's get to the video. Alright you guys, so in my hands right here I have the FabFitFun winter box. So this is the second FabFitFun unboxing that I have done, and I absolutely love the idea and everything about it. You guys would have seen my first one was their editor's box, and so I'm going to show you guys what's in this winter's box. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box equipped with full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, wellness products, and they come out 4 times a year. So each box is $49.99, and you actually get a value of over $200 in each box. But for your first box, you can get $10 off if you use my code Naomi10. I will write that up here, and I will also link it in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Oh, so FabFitFun also lets you now customize some of the items in your box. So today I'm going to show you what's in my box. So make sure you sign up now so you don't miss out on getting to customize some of the items in your own box. So some of the things that I love about FabFitFun, I mentioned this was my second box. Just from getting the first box, and just the whole idea behind this seasonal subscription box is that it's great for everybody. You know, working women who don't have too much time, moms who don't have a lot of time. You get to discover new items, new brands, new products that you normally probably wouldn't think of buying, but then you get to discover things that you end up loving for the rest of your life. And probably the best thing that I love most about it is that they actually give you full-size products. These are not sample size, these are actual full-size products. And it also supports nonprofits and female-founded organizations as well, which is a plus. All right, so I'm gonna get to opening what's in the box, seeing what's inside with you guys. I haven't opened this box yet, so we are opening it together. I have no idea what is inside. So, oops, get your FabFitFun newsletter. Then, ooh, in here, I have a $60 gift card to HelloFresh. I am totally going to use that. Getting into the good stuff. First thing I see in here is a jade roller. So this is the box. Ooh, super pretty. Now obviously if you're not familiar with a jade roller, you can put this in your fridge and then you just roll around your skin, helps contour your face, good for blood circulation. This smaller part here is good for under your eyes to depuff. All right, next is, ooh, essential oils. Now I have really been loving essential oils for a while now. This one is by Elevate. You get 2 essential oils in this box right here. One is eucalyptus, and then the other one is sweet orange. So this is what the inside looks like, the little oil bottles. You can just look these up online and see what like eucalyptus and sweet orange essential oils are good for. All right, next is an eye mask by Black. It is a hyaluronic acid eye mask. Once I open it up, there's a couple packets of the eye mask inside. There's 5 of them. So this is what it looks like. Can you see the little liquids rolling around in there? So you just basically put it under your eye like a patch and then leave it on, and then you should be good to go. All right, next is a hydration cream mask by the brand Ahava. Smells really good, and this is basically the consistency. It is a mask, so I'm not sure why. It feels like a lotion. Oh my God. Smells really, really good. I want to use it as a lotion, but it's a mask. All right, next up, I have this package. Not quite sure what it is, but looks really comfortable. Oh, it's like I think this you wrap around your head. Oh my God, it's so soft. The inside is so plush. And then it also comes with these black gloves right here. These are by Bear Paw. So yeah, you also get fashion items I mentioned to you guys. If you are already loving it, again, my code is Naomi10 to get $10 off your first box. All right, next is an eye brightener. This is a highlighting stick. This is from the brand Thrive Cosmetics. I really, really like this brand. This looks like a really really pretty color. Ooh. So this one has a built-in sharpener, which is pretty cool. So let me just swatch it right here for you. This one you can use as a highlighter on your cheekbones, even on your waterline under here. This is really gonna brighten. I can't wait to use this. It'd be perfect for the holidays. All right, next looks like a Halston purse or something similar. Oh, it's not a purse, but let's open it up, see what it is. Oh, I think it's a jewelry organizer. Oh my God, this is perfect for traveling. Okay, so look at this, you guys. I'm assuming this is to hang all your necklaces. Super handy. So you just unhook that right here, place your necklace and hook it back up. That way your necklaces can just all hang really nicely. And then this one can kind of keep them extended. You just kind of like wrap them around the bottom part right here. So it just goes around just like that. Oh my God, this is so genius. I think these are things you guys will actually use. Oh, and then this side, it has holes so that you can put your earrings. And here you can maybe put some bracelets or whatever, even rings. I'm so excited to use this on travel. Okay, what is this? Next is this funky looking thing. It looks like Frisbee, but who is this person? Brooke Burke. Oh, Get Fit with Brooke Burke. Oh, these are those things that you kind of like work out on. You put your feet on and they kind of slide. Yes, they are fitness sliders. There's a little excerpt in here with her on it that gives you like the website that you can go to see how to use these and get different workouts using this. So this is what they look like. And I don't have anything like this, so this is gonna be perfect for my workouts at home. All right, you guys, so last but not least is this, what looks like a blanket. This is by Mark & Graham. It is like a gray color, super soft and plush already. I can feel it. Ooh, just like a nice little throw blanket. It has fringe. You can just like throw it over your shoulder. Super soft and will come perfect for those times when you want to just sit by the fire, watch a movie. All right, you guys, so first impressions of this winter box is that a lot of these items I don't know about. So I got to discover a bunch of things like beauty products that I've never heard of that I'm super excited to try. And again, like I mentioned earlier, a lot of these things are super useful. These are things you're actually gonna use. Like I'm super excited to use those eye patches and that jewelry organizer and this blanket. And probably one of the best things is that some of the items in the box, if you buy them alone separately, they cost more than the box itself. So you're definitely getting your money's worth here. So again, if you're interested in trying it out, only $49.99 for each box, and for your first box you can get $10 off using my code Naomi10. Again, everything that I mentioned will be in the description box below. If you don't know how to get there, just scroll to underneath this video and then click show more and all the info will be in that box below this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know which item you think you'd be most interested in for this box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
I just wanna hold you.